All right, boys and girls, so we're going to review our butterfly life cycle that we read in our story earlier. So before we even start, what do we do at the top of our paper? We write our name at the top of the paper. Good job, boys and girls. So I'm going to write Miss Christie at the top of my paper. And you'll write your name at the top of the paper. So we have to review, right? So when we're doing a life cycle, we're going to do it in the right order. So we start with how the butterfly started, and then we go through in steps 2, 3, and 4. So let's look at the things that we have to put on our butterfly life cycle. So we have a beautiful butterfly comes out of the chrysalis. We have the caterpillar stays in a chrysalis for 10 to 14 days. We have a butterfly lays eggs on a leaf or plant. And we have the eggs hatch into caterpillars. So what do you think is the first step of our butterfly life cycle? Does the butterfly start as a butterfly, or does he start as something else? You're right, he starts as eggs, right? So let's put that for number 1. We'll put a butterfly lays eggs on a leaf or plant for number 1. Let's look at number 2. What happens after he's out of the egg? What happens? What does he become? That's right, he becomes a caterpillar. So our step number 2 is that the eggs hatch into caterpillars. Awesome job working. All right, step number 3. So we've got a beautiful butterfly comes out of the chrysalis, or we have the caterpillar stays in a chrysalis for 10 to 14 days. Which one do you think is step number 3? Awesome job. The caterpillar has to stay in a chrysalis for 10 to 14 days. That's step number 3. Great job, boys and girls. So that would mean our last step of the butterfly life cycle is that a beautiful butterfly comes out of the chrysalis. So we'll put that there for number 4. So let's review. Number 1, a butterfly lays eggs on a leaf or plant. Number 2, the eggs hatch into caterpillars. The caterpillar then stays in a chrysalis for 10 to 14 days. And then after those 14 days, a beautiful butterfly comes out of the chrysalis. Awesome job, boys and girls. Stay tuned. We're going to sing a butterfly song. See you then.